Hello, Skin Games. We're here for week 2. This week we're talking about how I structured the case study for Anne's hair restoration. First, we're starting off with JET. This uses ozone, cold atmospheric pressure, and nitrogen plasma energy. With JET, this is creating microchannels that are stimulating more of that wound healing response by bringing in growth factors to those targeted areas. This increase in the growth factors will help to really stimulate and start dilating that papilla bulb, stimulating more hair. With our internal supplement, this is an adaptogenic. Combining with the JET plasma, we will also be doing a PRP Biotin Injection that will be done by our medical director in those target areas. So that will be done in week 3. Twice a week, she will be having LED treatments done. This is going to be done on a red and near infrared wavelength. The microchannels will then be open, increasing the oxygen and nitrogen available. We will always be doing an Aftercare Serum just to help support more of the hair nutrients needed for that papilla bulb to really kind of take off on its own. The near infrared will help with any type of inflammation that we may experience, especially post-injection. We do anticipate a little bit of inflammatory response. She is also utilizing a shampoo at home that does contain caffeine. Again, vasodilation, really opening up those blood vessels so more nutrients can come through, supporting everything from a topical level all the way down to those delicate blood vessels, while also minimizing her downtime.